Yo, hey guys, Ken Perriman. I'm back again with another product, and it is this guy right here. It's a nice digi, simple, smart door lock with handle. I'm kind of been excited about this because it's a smart lock. It's got the fingerprint, it's got fobs, it's got codes, it's got all kinds of stuff that you can use this with. And I love the fact that I can put it on one of my doors so that I can lock it and ensure that I have no concerns and I don't need to use a key all the time. Now, what I like is that it has the capability of using a key, but what I want to do is stop using a key. I want to be able to punch in a code and unlock my door. I want to be able to use voice commands or whatever it is that I can use a fob, and just boop, scan like you're at a hotel, boop, and you're in the door. I'd love to do something like that. So I've been excited to get this. I've been super excited to get this, and I appreciate my guy sending that to me so I can do this review, and I cannot wait. And let's not wait anymore. Let's get right into it. So I have not gotten into this yet. It is really kind of cool for me to check this out, and I'm kind of excited. I'm delaying the inevitable of checking it out, but again, it's a smart lock by Nice Digi. Let's go ahead and open this up, and I think I just need to go ahead and move this off to the side so we can see what's going on here. All right, now what I really like about this is if you already have a door, you don't have to, if you got a door that doesn't have a hole in it, right, you may need to make one, and I give you this drill template if you do need to do that, like you're doing a brand new door, especially like those solid core door styles, right? You've got nothing in the door, it's a brand new, you bought it at whatever hardware store that you go to and get these, and it's got no hole in it. Well, you take this guy and you fold this on this line, and it gives you a template on everything you need to do to be able to lock this in and make this for your door, at least make the holes for it, right? Cool. So very cool to have that if you need it, but on top of that, you also have the Model X1 is what this is, Smart Lever User Manual. I like it. It's got that little lever for the handle, right, to open it up. Everything you need in here to work through all of this, right? Dual levers on both sides. Got a packing list, rubber plates, punch diagram, of course, mechanical keys, obviously the most ultimate backup of all the backups of the system that inevitably could fail. Keys always work. Ooh, got the latch system. You got the key fobs. These are the things I think are kind of cool. You got a little fob you can touch it to and it'll unlock. Yeah, you got the pocket in here. You got your square shaft. You got all kinds of stuff. We're not going to go over this too much right now. Oh, please scan this QR code to watch an easy setup, step-by-step installation video. I like that. That's really cool. Let's dig into what's inside the box. Nice protective foam piece in here. You've got spare screw. So anything that you may need a little extra of just in case, they give you a few items. They give you an Allen wrench in here with some shafts. You got the square. Yeah, okay, I know what those are all about. You do have your striker plates with the little box on the back side. That's interesting. Oh, this is what's cool. All right, here's the cool piece. Here are your, I believe they're going to be RFID fobs, along with your really cool keys, and then your fobs. I know I'm spinning around, I apologize. Let's open it up and take a look. These little fobs you can put on your keychain. Oh, they're in little packets. Okay, I don't know if I would trust this so much. Maybe I would want to put a different, like this key ring in through that hole, but you have this fob. So again, like your hotel or whatever, you just beep, and then scan it against it, and it'll unlock the door for you. This is pretty cool. All right. You got your keys again, right? The default, the de facto default of opening your door. If all else fails, use the keys. You have your latch system. And again, they have this position that they're talking about that you saw in the guide where you can slide this based on whatever size depth of door that you have. So you can adjust this to make this work. Here is, oh, I see what happened. Okay, so we're gonna, yeah, I did that wrong. Let's set this down. I thought you could pull the handles out. You cannot, at least not in this aspect. All right, the back side, I believe, of the door. Yes, the door that's inside your house. Oh, I like the brushed nickel look. Nice, strong spring. Nice, strong spring. I like that. Batteries, obviously you're gonna have some AA batteries, it looks like. I'm pretty sure it's AA. They look like AA's that you're gonna have to put in there. I'm not sure if it comes with it, but we'll check that here in a second. Set that off. Go ahead and pull this other guy in the way it's looking right now that we do not get batteries with this. That is fine because I have some. No worries. So I'm going to double check on everything on here, read through this, and then we'll go ahead and install this on my door so that you can see how this thing gets installed. All right, guys, let's go do that. Yo, let's do it. All right, guys. So we're going to go ahead and put that lock on. Let's do it. Oh, cool. It's on there. Wow, is it on there? It's on there. Okay, next step. Oh, I already said what the next step is. Now we can close the door without any fear. Now, bear in mind, close the door on the inside. If you're outside, you're still locked out because there's no code, there's no power. That door is not gonna open from the outside. But let's go ahead and get our batteries in. Does it tell us on here? Nope. But always remember, where you see the big springy side, it's on the flat side. So boom, reverse it. There you go. There you go. And finally, there you go. Just beat. And it just said it's locked. Okay. What do you mean failed? So I don't know what you guys saw out there. If you saw a light, there's a little light bar right here. Oh, it's kind of cool. Very low volume though. The next step, let me go ahead and not give all the air conditioning out. But again, don't close it because this will not open the door. All right, go ahead and do this process together. I'm gonna open this up to a larger view. So let's open up our camera, take a snap of this, head on over to the app, download the app. I don't need to show the camera anymore. Install the Nice Digi. It's kind of a cool name, Nice Digi. The app, we're going to allow it, we're going to agree, we're going to sign up because I've never had one of these. I'm in the US of America. All right, Ken Perryman, get the verification code. Done. So we've set the password, we are now done. Let's add the device. Turn on the Bluetooth while using the app. You gotta go ahead and turn on the Bluetooth and then you gotta allow. There you go, allow permission. And then once you've done that, so it tells you, let me see if I just need to wake it up. There it is. I needed to wake it up. Found the device. We're going to add it. Smart lock is being added. It is successfully added. Done. Tap and hold. It works. Shoot. Wow, that's cool. So, locked. Ooh. Locked. Member, me. Okay, so I can add members. Yep. Temporary, if I need to add a code, I can do a temporary code. One-time passcode, short-term passcode, custom passcode. Get passcode. This system generates a random number passcode. You can use it one time in 6 hours. I love it. You can give it to someone, tell them to, hey, come on in, give them the one-time passcode. Okay, get passcode. Let's see what happens. All right, so press that. That's fine. Wow, that's cool. We're finished, we're done. And I just hit finish and boom, it's locked. We'll touch member. Click the member you want to add a fingerprint. Place your finger on the fingerprint reader as a prompt by the app. Oh, okay, there it is. Go ahead and go this side of the way. We're gonna do, there's the card you can add. Let's add the card. How to add the card? Let's see, add. Okay.
Operation successful.
Card name. Ken's card. Cool. Okie dokie. So we have it. Is it locked? It's locked. Ken's card. Let's go ahead and add Ken's fingerprint. It gives you a diagram how to.
Please input again. Please input again. Please input again. Please input again. Operation successful.
All right. Wow. Oh, fingerprint name, right thumb. That was right thumb. And passcode. Cool. So I can come up here. That's me. I'm the administrator. I have 2 fingerprints. I have 1 passcode. And I have 1 card. All right, so we're done with the app. There's the last couple items I wanted to get past here real quick for you guys. I want to show you a couple things. There is a concern is what happens if your batteries die and you come home and you're like, oh no, it won't work. Well, underneath here is a USB-C. So what you can do is you can plug anything in here that you have that has power, like a power bank or something. Put a power bank in here. It'll give enough energy in here for you to enter your passcode, push your thumb, or even use your phone to activate it. Now, I would say that the phone portion of it may not work because it's still got gotta, because if it's died, if it has died, it hasn't connected to the internet. So the easiest way to do is to plug it in and type in your passcode, or hopefully it still remembers your fingerprint. But last of all things, what you should do is just have this on your keychain, is you can go in here with your key and unlock your door. I hope this was helpful for you. I was really excited to put this on. I do really appreciate your time. And you know what? This is locked. I can't get in, so I'm out of here.